Well,
I had to get a picture of the Tetons.
we come down to the Grand Tetons here. And we,
Oh my God.
it's
Pull that back up.
hailing and snowing here. It's 37. So we decided to. It's snowing. Ben, what do you think?
This is crazy.
Benji. Hey, Ben, double tablet.
Whose idea was it to go to Jackson Hole anyhow?
Oh, the road's clear. I
The
knew
road was clear.
I knew we were in trouble when I seen that big loader.
I seriously got ice pellets in my head.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you got ice pellets there.
Feel it.
That's over.
Okay, I think we're going to try and drive slowly. Good grief. 37 degrees. We went from 61 with the flat tire a half hour ago to the cloud that blew over the hill. Dropped down to 43. We stopped at that Lewis Falls. Drove another 20 minutes and here we are. Alright. A day in the life of the Brendel Adventures.